Hey there, it's Brooke with WTI. I'm currently on my 4th time reading this book, and I had to share. I usually only read books maybe twice, but I just could not stop reading this one. I just keep reading it. I love motivational books, but a lot of them make me feel overwhelmed because it just seems so easy for them, and they just tell you what to do like they just did it no problem. And I do not know where to start ever. This book makes me feel like I'm getting a pep talk from my bestie. Each chapter is titled a lie that Rachel has felt like I should be farther along by now, which I have definitely felt a lot of the time. But she doesn't just say, it's not true, move along and get your butt in gear. She gives her own real life experiences of when she felt this way and what steps she took to get past it. I really like how she talks about not canceling on ourselves all the time. That was probably one of my favorite chapters. Like if you tell yourself you're going to work out, stick to that. Don't cancel it because somebody wants to go get drinks or you want to just sit and eat some pasta. This is the perfect book to kick your butt into gear, but gently, like you're talking to a best friend. And that's my point of view.